Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. In this series, I teach you clusters of words, nouns, because daddy does is super important, and also making a good sentence, you need the structure, but you need also the word. So today is part 2 of our Verkehrsmittel, public transportation, and we will continue with a little bit more, I don't want to say complicated, but it's getting a little bit more complex. Yeah, some things mean the same, some things mean more than one thing. Even Germans, they say it without thinking. You will see what I mean in a second. We will use my notebook like always because I really feel this is the best way to teach you daddy does and also give you a clear structure how to learn vocabulary, how to make sentences, how to learn the daddy does the best way. You can find this in my digital store on Gumroad. The link is in the description box. You could also let me know if it works out for you. I really hope so. You just need to do it. Don't give up, and this little booklet will really help you. If you have a question about grammar, anything, I will answer. Correct your sentences. Just write me. Don't be afraid. I'm just me. So I will help you. That's why I'm here. Just leave your comment, your question, your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my A2, A1 grammar and vocabulary course. And if you want to go a little bit further, I have also the same concept on my B1 premium area. You can check it out. Grammar and vocabulary is going on. So let's go. Okay, this person means actually a Zug. Der Zug is also the train. Siehe Zug, yeah? Giving a reference in your own notebook, yeah? So, this is one example, die Bahn. But now, when somebody is saying, ich fahre mit der Straßenbahn nach Hause. And then you think like, what? This person lives in another city and takes the train? No, because Straßenbahn, I make it all on the same page because it's all so much connected. You can also go to S now, female and S, and do the Straßenbahn there. But I will do it differently because it's my notebook. I can choose it and you can choose it also to do it like you want. So, I would say it here, die Straßenbahn, also female because we know always the last word of a compositor gives the article die Straßenbahn, yeah, means, depends where you're from, the tram. The tram, or some people call it also tramway, tramway. Other people call it maybe the cable car. Many words for this. This is the big issue. There's so many different words that people struggle to understand sometimes. Yeah, I also put pictures here. I know maybe I do it now, maybe I already did it, but I try to work with pictures also. So this is the Straßenbahn, connected with cables normally. Okay, next one, because we're not finished. Maybe somebody says, living in Berlin or in other big cities, we can say, die S-Bahn kommt heute sehr let's say, let's make it realistic, unregelmäßig. The S-Bahn is coming today very irregular. And now you think, what again? Straßenbahn is S-Bahn, it's the same, right? It's just another way to say it. That's not correct. S-Bahn is something different. Let's write it here. We have die S-Bahn, like this. Check out the picture, please. I'm putting it here also. And we would translate this one with interurban train. Interurban train. If you find other translations, of course, you can use the thing that makes you understand it best. Yeah. So we cannot just substitute S-Bahn and Straßenbahn. It's not the same. They're both connected. One is connected with the cable, yeah, the cable on above the streets, the Straßenbahn. And the modern ones are not anymore, which makes it even more complicated. And the other one, the S-Bahn, is connected with the rail, right? With the railroad in the city. Okay, and this is not enough. We have more. Somebody says, ich fahre gerne mit der U-Bahn. Es geht so schnell. It goes so fast. Ich fahre gerne mit der U-Bahn. And now you think, oh my God, another Bahn? What is this? U-Bahn. Die U-Bahn Short version for people say underground. Yeah, it's the metro. We call it either the tube. I think in England we call it the tube or the underground train. Yeah. Also connected, of course, with rails, but underground sometimes depending on the map. Yeah. It can also be underground and then quickly go up for a little bit and then go down again. Depends really where the railroads are. So, die U-Bahn. Berlin hat eine U-Bahn. Ich glaube, Frankfurt hat auch eine U-Bahn. Es gibt einige Städte mit U-Bahnen. Ja, some cities have this kind of U-Bahn. So, I think I will make some crosses now. We will see. Die Bowlingbahn, okay, das ist Nominativ. Wie viele Bahnen schwimmst du am Tag? Das ist Akkusativ, ja. Oops, it's a little bigger, but that's okay. Die Bahn fährt von A nach B ist Nominativ. Ich fahre mit der Straßenbahn mit always Dativ. Die S-Bahn kommt heute, das ist ein Nominativ. Und ich fahre gerne mit der U-Bahn ist again Dativ. Okay, so now you have this kind of different Bahnen. There's another one, just die Bahn. Die Bahn is also a protected word, like, I don't know, McDonald's, Subway, Kleenex, whatever. Yeah, die Bahn is also the company of a private transport organization in Germany. Die Bahn. Maybe I put the logo here for a second, you can see it. It's a protected word. Same as Flixbus. Yeah, I think Flixbus is also protected by now. Okay, so now we check out the next category. I told you it's a long one, because we said here Zug. Okay, so when we say die Bahn fährt von A nach B, and we mean from city to city, or maybe from a city in one country to a city in another country, then die Bahn is synonymous with Zug, one might think. And there are some more words coming. Let's go to Z. Okay, der Zug, you can write it here in the male section, and plural, Züge, meaning the train, literally the train. A really general term. Bahn is also general. If you mean it like this, and you know you mean it like this, they're like almost synonymous, Bahn, Zug. But sometimes they're not. This is the big issue. So we can say Zugtickets sind ganz schön teuer geworden. So, train tickets have become really expensive. Zugtickets. Das ist Nominativ. Another example maybe, was ist schneller? Zug oder Bus? What is faster, train or bus? And of course, when we say it like this, it sounds like we mean train or bus. We don't mean something that is in the same city. We don't mean interurban stuff. We mean from this city to another city or so. Yeah. We can also say, was ist schneller, Zug oder Flugzeug? What's faster, train or airplane? Yeah, then it's even more clear what we mean. 30 Züge halten jede Stunde am Hauptbahnhof. Yeah, 30 trains are stopping every hour at the main station, for example. 30 Züge. If I show you pictures of Züge and also of S-Bahn and all this stuff, it's even for me complicated. Sometimes they are the same, they look the same. Sometimes they have both functions. They are so-called Regionalzüge. Let's put it here. Der Regionalzug, regional train. It's a regional train in Germany. It's the name for that. Let's write it here. Regional train. The Germans say also a cute version of it is der Regio. Ich fahre heute mit dem Regio, for example. Also Regionalzug. And if you see the pictures, they look so similar with a normal Zug or with an S-Bahn. Sometimes when you look a map or you check out a map, you will see the stations and then you see an RE, yeah, like this. And then you see, it's a Regionalzug, ja. Er muss jeden Tag zur Arbeit mit dem Regionalzug fahren, ja. He has to drive every day with the Regio. The opposite almost of the Regio is the ICE. Let me find where to put it, I guess with the E. Der ICE. It's not Eis, yeah? ICE is a short form, of course. In the plural, ICEs, like this, I guess. Sometimes also with an apostrophe, like this. But I don't like it. I like it more like this. And it means the high-speed train, yeah? The high-speed train. Just because something is a high-speed train doesn't mean it is not moving in a city because, for example, in Berlin, you take the ICE to go to another city. It stops also, for example, on the main station, then at the North station or another Berlin station. It doesn't mean it only goes from city A to city B, yeah? But it's so expensive, you would never use it, of course, to travel in the same city with this. Yeah, it's really high speed to get as fast as possible to a long distance city or even in another country. I think it goes to France or many, many other places. Yeah, you can check it out on the internet also, just for exercise reasons, to check it out and see what pops up. Also, wir gucken mal hier. I think TGV is in France, the fast one, but yeah. So, let's see. Der ICE kostet 4-mal so viel wie der Regionalzug, for example. The ICE costs 4 times more than the regional train. And now you think, hey, how can we take both? One is like the fast one and the other one is in a region. I want to show you. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is how I think it works. So when this is Germany, yeah, and you're here and you want to go here, yeah, you have more options, more than one. You take the ICE, maybe it goes, well, I hope it goes like this, yeah. So like this, ICE, quickly, one way, sometimes two, yeah, like this. But if you want to save money, I guess, then you take the Regionalzug, and maybe this one goes to this little place here, and the other one goes to this, yeah, in a different region. It's region limited, and this goes like this. And if you're lucky, you go to your destination like this. Yeah, a lot cheaper, takes a lot more time. And this is the Regionalzug. When there was in Germany like a big discount because of Corona and other things, I don't even, yeah, or the gas prices being up, I don't remember. But they gave like the German ticket. So you pay one price for moving all over Germany, which was really nice for a really low price. I think 9 euro was the cheapest. Now it's like 50 euro again. But it only applies for Regionalzüge, not for the expensive ICEs. They say if you want the comfort to go from A to B in a quick and comfortable way, you have to pay the normal price. This is it for today. I hope you learned something. I'm sure there must be some new word, new pattern or function that you learned today that you didn't know before. If there wasn't, that's a good sign for you. You can check out my more complicated things, for example, hören, or you can go to my manga series. I'm at my 3rd manga now, and of course the language there is a little bit more complex also. There's lots of things to discover on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, a message. I really enjoy reading everything. I'm really happy about the positive feedback, of course. But I also like to answer your questions, and I will see you very, very soon, I'm sure. Bye!